Makar Sankranti celebrations are incomplete without snacking on tasty Tilgur laddus. We are going to dry roast the sesame seeds on medium heat till the color changes. Sesame seeds paired with jaggery make the perfect winter food as both keep the body warm and boost immunity. Once roasted, remove and keep them aside. Next, add some soft peanuts and dry roast them till they turn crunchy and a toasty golden brown. Once cooled, remove the skins and grind it coarsely. In the same pan, dry roast the desiccated coconut till it turns golden brown and keep it aside. Adding coconut adds a rich, nutty flavor to the laddu. Mix the sesame, the peanuts and the coconut together and add in a dash of cardamom powder. You should keep this ready before you start your jaggery syrup. There are different types of jaggery available. We like this dark brown kind as it has a mild sweet taste and makes crunchy laddus. For softer laddus, mix in the light brown jaggery as well. To prepare the jaggery syrup, heat the kadai and add the jaggery, which we've cut up roughly. Let it melt on low heat, stirring constantly to keep it from sticking. After it's fully melted, it should bubble and foam a little. That's when you know it's done. Here's what you need to be careful of. If you undercook the jaggery, it won't mold into laddus, and if you overcook it, the mixture will be too hard. At this point, switch off the flame and add the roasted mixture carefully and mix it well. You can add it in batches for easy mixing. You only have a few minutes to mold these before the mixture sets, so you have to work quickly. Enlist the help of a friend or family member to make this task easier. Ensure you dip your fingers in cold water to keep them from burning. Mold the mixture into small spheres. Keep it on a plate to hold its shape. We also have some extra mixture which, after allowing it to cool further, we can mold into the shape of a bowl. When this hardens, it will hold its shape and can be used to serve your laddus or even as a gift idea. Bring in the spirit of Makar Sankranti by sharing these til laddus with all your loved ones. Makar Sankranti celebrates bonding through the exchange of tilgur as a token of goodwill. So share these crunchy laddus and share some sweet words along with them. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.